Hi guys, welcome to Only Maths Tutorial Point. In the previous video, we covered 14th question of first bit. So in this video, I am going to cover second question of same bit. So today we are going to continue with same quadratic equations of finding the roots of class 10th. Okay. So take the given value, given quadratic equation, comparing with standard form, and write alpha plus beta, that is sum of the roots and product of the roots. You keep this step as aside, then take down the second one and simplify in terms of alpha plus beta and alpha beta. So this is second one, guys. 2 alpha plus beta into alpha plus 2 beta. You take the product of each and every term. So we get like this: 2 alpha square plus 4 alpha beta plus 2 beta square. So after simplifying, so I said we need to convert in terms of alpha plus beta and alpha beta. So adjust the terms in that manner. So we got at the end 2 into alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta plus 4 alpha beta plus alpha beta. So this is in the same form, right? In sum of the roots and product of the roots. So substitute the values and simplify. So I substitute the values here. Okay. And at the end we get the value like this, guys: minus 40 plus 20 by 9, that equal to minus 20 by 9. Okay, I hope you understand this sum. Please go through this sum once again. If you are getting any doubts, please comment me in the comment section, and please subscribe to my channel for more videos and for more updates. Okay, if you practice these type of sums, these type of complex sums, these sums are not given in the textbook, guys. These are some extra questions which are related to quadratic equations. If you practice these type of sums in board exam, you can able to cover, you can able to attempt any type of questions. Okay, so my motto also to give these type of questions, these type of videos in my channel, so that students will watch my videos and they can understand and they can prepare for exams. Okay, thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos and for more updates, guys. Thank you.